If you want to learn network automation, everyone says to learn Python. But where do you actually start without getting overwhelmed? Because most network engineers quit here. Python is the most popular language for network automation because it is simple, easy to read, and works with networking tools. Plus, you don't need a coding background. You only need basics of Python. As a network engineer, you only need variable, loop, conditions, and basic function. That's it. For example, you can write a simple Python script to connect two routers, push configuration, and take backups. And this can save hours of manual work. Most people make the mistake of trying to learn Python like a developer, but as I said, you don't need it. You can learn the basics of Python, practice small scripts, and move to automation tools like Ansible and NetMiko. Comment Python if you want to start your network automation journey, and don't skip the next video. That's where the things become practical.